That smell of spring that's finally in the air, it's your reminder to get your health and beauty affairs in order. Nicole Young, founder of beautifulbody.com, has some fantastic tips for taking your personal wellness to the next level. Take a look.
Now that we've sprung forward, you can leave those pesky wrinkles behind in only 7 minutes flat, I might add, thanks to Athena 7-Minute Lift. Developed from 12 powerful moisturizers and antioxidants, Athena 7-Minute Lift fills in wrinkles with deep penetrating hydration, and the results are visible after the very first application. Visit 7minutelift.com to purchase. Probiotics, it turns out, are great for gut health and skin health. And LaFleur Probiotic Skincare features patent-pending live probiotic formulas that enrich the skin's good bacteria, resulting in a healthy, glowing complexion. You can incorporate these nature-based products on a 1-to-1 ratio to your current favorites to give them a probiotic boost. Visit LaFleur.com for details. Got sagging skin on your legs? Adonia Leg Tone Serum can fix that in plenty of time for skirt season. An in-home plant stem cell cellulite treatment, Adonia Leg Tone Serum reduces the appearance of cellulite by up to 47% in just 9 minutes. Paraben-free, cruelty-free, and non-greasy, this breakthrough formula is the first and only of its kind. Visit legtone.com to purchase. Shedding winter layers means even more exposed skin. Luckily, Blue Saint Instant Body Tanner has you covered. A luxurious self-tanning mousse made from plant-based ingredients, this fast-drying sunscreen instantly delivers a natural-looking tan. Visit bluesaint.com for more information. Creams and serums aren't the only keys to proper skincare. Compression garments from Skinnies can be quite beneficial. Infused with shea butter, vitamin E, and retinol, Skinnies compression socks, gloves, and leggings are skincare that you can wear. In addition to providing excellent hydration, Skinnies skincare wear helps with circulation and is great for individuals who live an active lifestyle, diabetics, and anyone who spends a lot of time on their feet. In fact, we asked a couple of men with physically demanding professions to try Skinnies compression socks and tell us what they felt.
My name is David John Bittner. I'm the showroom manager at Caligaris and an interior designer. As a designer, I am running back and forth on my feet 10 hours a day. When I took the socks off after getting home after a long day, my feet were smooth, they were soft, they were not swollen. I was ready to go dancing.
NYC chef and caterer Joshua Tepperberg also noticed a difference.
At the end of the day, my feet definitely felt less tired.
Whether you're training for a better body or training for a better career, Celsius is your training partner for all facets of life. This innovative fitness lifestyle drink has 7 essential vitamins, 0 sugar, no artificial flavors, and leaves you with no crash or jitters. Visit Celsius.com for details. If spring cleaning's on your to-do list, put Microban 24 on your shopping list. While most disinfectants kill 99.9% of bacteria on contact, Microban 24 uses a multi-layer protective shield that binds its bacteria-fighting ingredient to the surface, providing continuous antibacterial protection for 24 hours. Visit microban24.com for details. And visit Linda's List on Instagram for details on the stunning one-part condos in Cliffside Park, New Jersey.